And sticking to the latest coming in on the nationwide truckers' protest, the Congress has officially extended its support. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has slammed the BJP for passing laws saying that this has been done without any sort of discussion in Parliament. And that's why the Congress has said that the government should reconsider their decision. So according to the Congress, a 10-year jail term for those indulging in hit and run is far too adverse. So they've extended their support to this kind of a protest that we're witnessing right now that's brought a crippling halt to normal life, with petrol pumps shutting down, with taxi drivers out on the streets, with truckers also protesting. Let's play out for you what the Congress has to say.
বেশ করছে ট্রাক চালকরা, বেশ করছে ট্রাক চালকরা, বেশ করছে ট্রাক চালকরা। আমি সেই আন্দোলনের পাশে আছি, আমরা তাকে সমর্থন জানাই।
So the Congress's contention is that these kind of laws were passed without any consultation, without the opposition being taken into, in their view, not being considered at all. And that's why they've gone ahead and actually extended their support to these protesters. And remember that in some parts of the country, these protests have also in fact turned violent. In many parts of the country, in the cities that you're in, I'm sure you're feeling the pinch of this particular agitation as well, because it's also led to several petrol pumps closing down for the day, leading to these kind of massive long queues that you see on your screens of commuters waiting for petrol pumps to open up. I want to play out for you once again what the Congress's stand on this issue is.
বেশ করছে ট্রাক চালকরা, বেশ করছে ট্রাক চালকরা, বেশ করছে ট্রাক চালকরা। আমি সেই আন্দোলনের পাশে আছি, আমরা তাকে সমর্থন জানাই।
All right, let me take this across to Maushmi Singh for more details. Maushmi, are we then to go ahead and assume that the Congress is against the 10-year jail term for cases of hit and run?
So this is not the first time when Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has hit out at Mamata Banerjee, and the rift is wide open in West Bengal. Clearly, all is not well as far as, aligning with the India Alliance core values
Back
are
to you,
concerned.
Maushmi. My apologies. I'll come back to you. And I'll put that question to you in just a bit on the nationwide truckers' protest, which the Congress is now supporting. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary also making it clear that the Congress is backing it because he says that these laws are being passed without any discussion. This at a time when the government has said very, very clearly that you cannot quite simply stall or harass common people in this manner. Protests, registering your opposition to a certain law, to a certain legislation is allowed, but it must be first a peaceful protest, which is not what we've seen in Mainpuri, and second, you cannot hinder people who are going about their normal life. So on a weekday, you've got life coming to a standstill in many parts, people unable to even fill fuel because petrol pumps are shutting down as a result of this protest. There are very few that are functioning, and those are seeing these kind of massive, massive queues.